Homeowners Express Review. Looking to make small home improvements like fixing your roof, replacing windows, or redoing your driveway? The City of Miami's Homeowners Express Review can help you get your permit faster, and if eligible, even on the same day you apply. But first, make sure your project qualifies. This service is only for smaller, non-structural jobs, such as roof repairs or replacements, new windows or doors, driveway paving or sealing, small kitchen or bathroom updates, taking down non-structural walls, or putting up fences and gates. It's important to know that if your home has open code violations or is in a historic district, you will not be able to use this service. Next, get your documents ready. Listed on the Homeowners Express Review page is a list of unique required checklists. Each project type has a unique required checklist, so make sure you use the correct one for your application. Once you select your checklist, you will also need signed and sealed plans in PDF format, product approvals like Notice of Acceptance for roofing or windows, your completed application forms, and any other project-specific supporting documents. Make sure your files follow the City of Miami's naming convention guidelines so there are no delays. Now you're ready to apply. Log in or create an account in iBuild. Select Start Application, then choose Homeowners Express Review Application. Be sure to click the checkbox to agree with the compliance requirements. Then click Next. Next, enter your address in the property search. Then click Next. Once you enter your address, you must provide your location details. Then click Next. You must select the correct applicant role for your application. Then click Next. In the next section, enter your contact information. Then click Next. Now it's time to add contractor information. Then click Next. Please provide your primary point of contact information. Click Next. Select the type of work. Then click Next. Ensure you select the correct job description. Then click Next. Be sure to provide accurate description details. In the application summary section, you can review your application information before submitting. You can click the edit link in each section to make any necessary changes. Once your application is in, you will be directed to pay any upfront fees in iBuild, which will activate your application for the review. Once you have reviewed every section of the application summary, click Next. You have successfully completed the online building permit application. Please be sure to download and print the permit application package. Once your fees are paid, you can then upload your documents and drawings through ProjectDox. After that, the plan review process begins like this. During the pre-screening, a permit coordinator will check to make sure your documents are accurate and let you know if any corrections are needed. For the fast-track same-day plan review, each discipline department will review your plans on the same day. If everything meets code standards, your permit gets approved on that same day. If you need to fix anything, you'll receive an email saying there are applicant corrections, which you will need to complete in ProjectDox. Be sure to upload your corrected files by 12 p.m. to stay on the fast track. Once approved, pay any remaining fees and print your permit card from iBuild. Make sure you also download your approved plans from ProjectDox and have printed copies available on site ready for inspection. Then you can start your project right away. When your work is finished, don't forget to schedule your inspections in iBuild. Keep in mind that your permit will not be closed until all inspections are final. And that's it! The Homeowners Express Review makes it simple to complete specific types of residential projects quickly, safely, and all online. For more detailed information about requirements and to access project-specific applicant checklists, please visit miami.gov and search Homeowners Express Review.